Did you know that 78% of workers live paycheck to paycheck? It doesn't matter if they earn $30,000 or $100,000 a year. At the end of the month, the bank account hits zero. Everyone tells you the solution is to earn more money or stop buying coffee. But what if I told you that earning more money without a plan is exactly what keeps you broke? It's called lifestyle creep. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 50-30-20 rule, a strategy popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren. It is the exact blueprint used by the wealthy to enjoy their life today while building a massive fortune for tomorrow without feeling deprived. Welcome back. The problem we all face with budgeting isn't that we are bad at math. The problem is decision fatigue. We make too many choices every day about where our money goes, and eventually our willpower breaks. So, today we are not just listing tips, we are going to build the budget blueprint. Think of your salary as a cake that must be cut into 3 very specific slices. If you get the size of these slices wrong, you will either be miserable today or broke tomorrow. Stick around until the end because I have a 24-hour audit challenge that will expose exactly where your money is leaking.
Let's start with the first and biggest slice, the 50% for needs. Imagine this scenario. You lose your job tomorrow. What are the bills you must pay to survive? Rent, groceries, electricity, and insurance. These are your needs. The psychological trick here is distinguishing between a need and a want. You need to eat, but you want to eat at a fancy restaurant. You need transport, but you want a brand new Uber ride every day. Simply put, if you stop paying for it and you don't die or go to jail, it's probably not a need. Your goal is to fit all these survival costs into just half of your income. But wait a second. Here is where 90% of budgeters fail and quit after 1 month. Most financial gurus tell you to cut everything. No Netflix, no coffee, no fun. This is a trap. If you starve yourself of fun, you will eventually binge spend. The secret that banks won't tell you is that you actually need to waste money. Yes, you heard me. You need a designated slice for guilt-free spending. To succeed in the long run, you must feed your inner child, or your inner child will sabotage your financial plan. Now that we avoided the trap, let's fill the rest of our map. The 30% slice is for wants. This is your Netflix, your dining out, your hobbies. It's the money you spend to enjoy life. The 20% slice is for savings. This is your freedom fund. Here is how to apply this in 3 steps. 1. Calculate your net income, the money that actually hits your bank account after taxes. 2. Categorize last month. Look at your bank statement. Was your rent more than 50%? If so, you are house poor. 3. Automate the 20%. This is the most critical step. Remember the rule of pay yourself first. The moment you get paid, that 20% should automatically transfer to a savings or investment account before you even have a chance to touch it. We have one final dangerous enemy to discuss. Without knowing this, your 50-30-20 plan is useless. It is called lifestyle creep. When you get a raise or a bonus, what do? Most people immediately buy a better car or move to a bigger apartment. They increase their 50% needs slice. This keeps them trapped in the rat race forever, no matter how much they earn. If you ignore this point, you will find yourself earning $200,000 a year but still having zero savings. The solution? When your income goes up, keep your lifestyle flat and funnel that extra money straight into the 20% savings slice.
So there is your map. 50% for needs, 30% for fun, and 20% for your future freedom. But knowledge without execution is just procrastination. Here is your 24-hour challenge. I want you to close this video, open your banking app, and look at your last 3 transactions. Just 3. Label them need, want, or saving. If you find that none of them were savings, you know exactly what you need to do next. Comment "Challenge accepted" if you are ready to take control of your money. I'll see you at the top. Cheers!